but I wanted it to be even more laid when I put my scarf on it, so that you will not be able to see any kata. Welcome to my channel, guys, and in this video I am going to be doing a protective hairstyle on my natural hair, and we are going to be a little different today. Somebody is actually going to be coming in to help me. I want to switch things up from my regular single braids to like this series of cornrows that I am going to be starting with this video. So I am going in with my leave-in conditioner. This is the 2-in-1 Afro Textures blah 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 leave-in conditioner. Nature's Gentle Touch still beats this leave-in conditioner hands down. It's just that Nature's Gentle Touch is not available in Ghana, and if it is, I am going to need a shovel and flashlight to look for it, and that is not the kind of thing I want to be doing in this country. So after applying the leave-in conditioner, I go in with my Cornrow Hair Growth oil, and the only good hair care product I have found in Ghana so far, their raw shea butter. Also fucking expensive. This cost me 20 cedis, which is like 2,500 naira. I have never bought shea butter that expensive before, so I do believe I was scammed. So once I am done applying all of that, I am going to actually brush it through with my on brush. And I got this steel rat tail comb from Temu, which I am going to be using to part my hair. I can tell you this now, that was not very easy to do. The quality of the rat tail comb is okay, but I really do feel like it's something that I could have found in Nigeria, because that's why I shop on Temu when I'm looking for things that I cannot find around me. So I definitely think I could have found this either in Nigeria or in Ghana, because my brother found a steel white tooth comb when we went to the Kasua market. So I definitely know that that should have been available, easily. Like I said in the beginning, somebody is going to be coming in to help me do my hair. My initial plan was to do the half, that is the down half, the bottom half of the hair myself. Then she will come in and help me with the cornrow part. But I don't know, things didn't go as I planned, so we have to switch things up. Let me quickly talk about how I prepped my hair for this hairstyle. Now, I went in the night before with my hot oil treatment, my aloe vera hot oil treatment. Did that overnight, came out in the morning, washed it out with my head and shoulder shampoo per usual. I did a henna treatment, and I do believe I used way too much henna when I was doing this treatment, because I still had nits and grits in my hair when my friend was braiding it for me, and I really regret using that much product in my hair. Now she is helping me braid my hair, and I'm going to shut up now so that you can enjoy the visual. we are done with the styling process. And because my ends were a little raggedy, it was giving crusty and scraggly, I had to take my, what's that thing called, hair shears to help. Why am I talking like a fool? Anyway, I'm going in with edge control first to lay my edges. My edges are already laid to the ground and beyond, but I wanted it to be even more laid when I put my scarf on it, so that you will not be able to see any. Then I went in and I moisturized the braids itself, that is the ends of the braids itself. But before I did this, I actually had to get rid of the straggly pieces, so that when it is time to take down this hairstyle, it won't be too difficult for me. It was not a trim. I will not really say it was a dust, but more like search and destroy. I again moisturized my hair with moisturize the braids with Cornrow Hair Growth oil, my shea butter, and this is what the hair is. It is giving 10/10, and it is taking 0. It's taking nothing. Yes, show them. Yeah. I am going to be doing a 360 spin, a slow-mo 360 spin. Yeah, this is the back view. See how long it is. When I stretched this out, this was like mid-back with braids, and this is the 360, y'all. Beautiful. Tell me what you guys think of this video. I am also going to put up snapshots. Tell me what you think of the hairstyle. Tell me what you think of this series. Subscribe if you care, share if you care. Love you, choose.